Hello, today I am showing you how to look up what is coming out of an old PS2 keyboard like this. This is the connector of a PS2 keyboard. This is a DIN jack. There are also connectors with mini DIN available, but it works with both. Here comes out the clock signal. This here is the ground. You have to connect this to ground. Here comes out the data, and this is the supply voltage pin. Here you have to connect about 5 volts. So I have connected the PS2 keyboard to this oscilloscope. I have connected the clock pin to the first channel and the pin with the data to the second channel. So one moment. Okay, good. Now I use this line as 0 here, and I use this line as 0. So now I turn on the power supply. So okay, now I zoom it up to the maximum point. This is what coming out when you press nothing on the keyboard. It's just the supply voltage, a bit less than that. And if I'm pressing any key, for example the A, you can see here the data is coming out. So now I press hold that I can release the key, and you can see this here is the clock signal coming out here, and this is the data signal coming out here. So okay, the first going up clock signal here is the start signal. This is showing you just for start the input signal. So for easier measuring, I'm going to switch on the cursors, and you can see this is the start point, and the first number that we have is this at this point here. It's a 0, so I write down a 0. Then the next is 0. So the next is a 1. The next is 1. The next is a 1. The next is a 0. Then we have a 0. Then we have 0. Then we have 0. And at the end byte we have a 1, but this is just the end. This is also not necessary. So okay, now I have written down the numbers of this and go away with this signal. To decode the numbers, you just have to write it inverse. For example, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and yes, that's just turned around. And then we have the first 4 bits, that's C in hexadecimal, and that's a 1 in hexadecimal. So this key is the 1C key, and which this key does, you can find here in this list that I found in the internet, and you can see the 1C here is the EA, and I pressed the A on the keyboard. Okay, that's it. Now you know how to decode the messages that's coming out from your keyboard. Now I'm typing some key, and you have to decode this keyboard if you want. If you know the code of this key, you just write a command. So I press now a button here. I hold it for you, and here you can see it. If you know what this code is meaning, then write it in a comment what this code is meaning. Here you can see. You can get nothing by doing that, just experience how to decode keyboard messages. So, okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.